friends, welcome back to my channel Infinite Trade. My name is Robin and let's do a Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. So, how was the market today? I think I entered into the market pretty late, and so the group that we formed recently, uh, so I suggested a call buy somewhere at this range, wherein I said that there could be a sharp recovery that could come until 46 300 315 in Bank Nifty. If you check out the lines, this was my level, and we all waited until here, but market was not moving with that kind of momentum that I was expecting. So we all exited, and I think the moment came in the last uh, half an hour, probably because of the MSA rebalancing. But however, the target that we were expecting in the call was achieved. So we went for a hero zero trade, a call that we purchased at around 30 rupees, and I was expecting a target of around 200 to 225. It made a high of 223. But however, we did not make that much enough money because of the momentum which came after 3 o'clock. So usually I don't trade beyond 230. So one of the reason why we missed that move. But anyways, you should be always happy when your view turns out to be right. Okay, you may make a little bit of money or limited money, but some of the other day, these confidence that you get that you're always right keeps you motivated, and one fine day definitely you will make some huge profit. So, anyways, it was a great day today, and monthly expiries are usually a little muted because of a lot of positions being booked. So now let's quickly look at the monthly candle because today it was monthly expiry as well as the monthly candle close. So if you look at Bank Nifty, we have a perfect doji. If you look at the open and close, it is almost just a difference of 40 points, 40 to 44 points. Open was 46,164 and close is 46,120. Okay, so nearly 43, 44 points difference. And see, here you need to understand the sentiment. For the past few days, I've been telling that I'm positionally bearish in Bank Nifty, and we have seen that movements in Bank Nifty, and we have been able to catch a good trend yesterday also. So why I was bearish? One of the thing is, look at this green candle. This shows huge amount of buying, which went all the way to a new all-time high, and suddenly the next month, the entire candle comes to the same low, and in fact breaches the green candle's low. So this shows that now this candle has become a little weaker. Okay, so people who had purchased here are not confident anymore. So at least I'm expecting that 30 to 40% of the people would have exited their positions. Only people who take market to their heart, they stay up with their positions, they might be in within this. So if you ask me whether market is going to fall, I'm expecting that it should correct before the elections, and if it goes up, obviously we'll have to trade that side also. That's why we are intraday traders. And this month we have a inside candle. So if we give up a momentum in the month of March, we could see a good fall until this region, which I'm expecting. So let's see if that happens. That will come to know in the first 1 week of March, wherein we'll see FIs building up their future positions. Okay, and if you look at Nifty's monthly closing is good, but the only thing that I find weird is look at the size of the candle. Post these two candles, since last 2 months, Nifty hasn't moved much. Okay, this is a perfect doji, and this time we crossed the doji's high. However, we closed like a spinning top. Okay, so if you ask me about the closing isn't that great because it did not even manage to close uh, above previous month's high. It is still inside. Okay, so both Nifty and Bank Nifty, I personally believe that they are due for correction before elections. So now let's quickly discuss the data and see what happened. So see, first closed 73,101 future longs and closed 44,100 future shorts. And now that a huge open interest has been reduced today, and now the net numbers are again 63,000 uh, future shorts being naked. Okay, but that doesn't really matter. We'll have to look at the coming week how they manage it. And if we look at the options, the net numbers are call long and put long, call long being more, and pros are call long and put short. So volatility from FIIs and pros are being bullish. So because of this proprietary traders, I was expecting an up move today, and that's what happened in Bank Nifty today. So now let's quickly check out what should be next. See, I'll show you something on the Bank Nifty futures, which I already shown you a couple of days before. I was bearish in Bank Nifty at this point. Okay. So around 47,200, we almost made a movement until 45,600. So nearly, I think 1,500 points fall. So now what you need to expect is, like I said, I'm still bearish, but obviously there will be some up moves that could come into place. So we'll have to take up that opportunity. And whenever you're planning a positional uh, trade or a positional uh, biased trade, like when I'm bearish in Bank Nifty and expecting it to fall until maybe 44,000, 43,200, or even beyond that. So it is always better instead of just going for an option buying, you can always rely on some option selling strategy, which would at least earn you some premium DK when if it is not moving into your direction. Okay, but it is highly dangerous if you do not exit on time, or if you do not know any adjustments or anything. That could be a disaster. So whatever you do it carefully based on your risk taking appetite. So now let's see what could Bank Nifty do tomorrow. Tomorrow being Friday, and fresh positions have to be built in. I'm not expecting a very strong momentum until and unless we break these levels. Okay. Now this swing itself is a I think roughly 45,900 to 46,300. So 600 point swing this is. So if imagine if we open gap down, then it would again try to stay within this swing. If we break 46,315, then you can go for a call long for a target of around 46,600. Okay, now the 300 points move on the upside. India VIX fell almost 4.64%. So uh, I'm expecting India VIX also to move in the coming days. Let me show you how it is performing. So see, this is the upper limit of 16.325, okay, in India VIX. So we hit this place, we fell, stronger. The other time we hit, we did not fall that much. Again, we hit, we did not fall that much. Again, we have hit this place and just showed a reaction. Now, obviously, if you're expecting fall in Nifty Bank Nifty, this has to break out beyond 16.32, and there is a possibility it may travel to until 21, 22. So that means the volatility will also increase. So this is a time wherein it is good for option buyers. Okay. And option sellers could go for a calendar spread or something like that. That could give them good money. So coming back to our levels in Bank Nifty, like I said, beyond 46,315. So if you open flat, say here, and if you're breaking this out, definitely you can go for a call. Your target should be somewhere close to 46,600 is what I said. And where should you be bearish? Bearish, let me move on to 15 minutes. So in one of the video I've told you, whenever the market comes down, so look at the swing. So this is your swing, and here it is. So what market does is, if it has to stay bullish or if it has to move upside, this particular swing will not break. Okay, so tomorrow if you open here, We'll try to take support here and stay within this area. If it has to be sideways or if it has to give a breakout, it will give a breakout from here. So the key level is going to be this 45,913. If this doesn't break, the market can stay a little on the bullish side. Okay. So this is my view on Bank Nifty. Let's check out Nifty. So Nifty, the point that I told in Bank Nifty doesn't suit here because Nifty's swing was this one, and so it already breached that level quite a sometimes, and it then went up. So that logic doesn't apply here. So Nifty's movement is purely based on Bank Nifty's move is what you can expect. So Nifty is also bullish above this level 22,022, but it can give up a slow momentum based on Bank Nifty's move and try to move until 22,170. Okay. Nifty, you should be bearish beyond today's low. Okay, it will not take today's low immediately tomorrow, is what I feel. So try holding Nifty tomorrow and try to trade Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty's level seems to be a little safe. Okay, so you're below 45,913, you're going to be bearish, and above 46,150, it is already a bullish zone. So even if it comes down, we'll try to take a call with your SL somewhere close to 45,870 or 880. Okay, so this is my view on Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.